Welcome to Ed's Start Learning ABC School Compound, where learning the ABC to Z becomes a grand outdoor adventure. Get ready to learn the alphabet from A to Z in the most exciting way possible. A colorful train is on its way, bringing each letter one by one full of surprises, songs, and silly fun. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, it's time for an alphabet treat. We'll play, jump, and sing as we discover what each letter has to say. All aboard the ABC Express. Our first stop is letter J. This is the jumpy, jazzy, and joyful letter J. Hey friends, whether you're at home or school, let's say it out together. J. Can you say it louder? Can you jump up and down while saying J? Hello friends, what do we have here? Jet. J is for jet, fast, loud, and flying high in the sky. Can you make jet sounds and zoom around the room? Let's say it together. J is for jet. Jets take us on journeys. Just like learning our ABCs takes us places. What do we have here now? A jar. J is for jar. J is for jar where we keep jelly, jam, or even cookies. Let's say it together. J is for jar. Is for jump. Hey, we love jumping while playing. Jumping is fun. J is for jump. Learning the letter J is a lot of fun.
This is the kind, cool, and kicking letter K. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out together. K. Can you say it louder? K. Let us say it again. K. Now, let's learn some fun K words. What do we have here? A kite. K is for kite, flying high in the sky on a windy day. Let's say it together. K is for kite. What color is your kite? Does it loop, dive, or spin? Kites are full of fun. And so is the letter K. What do we have next? A key. K is for key. It opens doors, treasure chests, and secret places. Can you pretend to hold a key and unlock something magical? Let's say it together. K is for key. What kind of key? Do you have a house key, a car key, or maybe a key to a secret adventure? K is full of surprises, and every key opens up something new to learn. This is the lovely and lively letter L. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out together. L. Can you say it louder? L. Can you pretend to lick a lemon? Let's learn some L words. L is for lion. L is for lion, the king of the jungle with a mighty roar. L is for lion. Lions are loud, brave, and full of pride. Let's say it again. L. L is for lion. What else starts with L? Lemon. Learning with the letter L is legendary. L is for lemon. L is for lemon, sour, yellow, and full of zing. Let's say it together. L. L is for lemon. Another L words, leaf. The letter L is lively and lots of fun. L is for lizard. L is for lizard, a cool crawling creature with a long tail. Can you crawl like a lizard? Can you stick out your tongue like one? Let's say it together. L. L is for lizard. Lizards love to bask in the sun and scurry across rocks. Learning with letter L is lively, legendary, and lots of fun. L is a letter full of laughter, learning, and lots of fun.
This is the mighty and magical letter M. Hey friends, whether you're at home or school, let's shout it out together. M. Can you say it louder? M. Can you march like a marching band while saying M? Let's learn some fun M words. M is for monkey. M is for monkey, swinging, jumping, and full of mischief. Can you swing your arms like a monkey? Let's say it together. M. M is for monkey. Monkeys love bananas, climbing trees, and having fun just like us. A is full of magic, movement, and munchy fun. M is for milk, creamy, yummy, and great for strong bones. Do you drink milk with breakfast? Or maybe with cookies? Let's say it together. M. M is for milk. Can you pretend to pour a glass of milk? Now take a big sip. M is a mighty letter with so many magical words. This is the nice and never boring letter N. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out loud. N. Can you say it while nodding your head? Let's learn some fun N words. N is for net. You can catch things with it like fish, butterflies, or even a ball. Can you pretend to hold a net and catch something in the air? Let's say it together. N. N is for net. Nets are super useful in games, nature, and even sports. What do we have here now? A nest. N is for nest. N is for nest. A safe little home for birds and their eggs. Let's say it together. N. N is for nest. Nests are made of twigs, leaves, and love. Nature's little nurseries. The letter N is full of nature and nurturing fun. The letter N contains new things, neat ideas, and non-stop fun. This is the outstanding oval and OH so fun letter. Oh! Ready to shout it out together? Oh! Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out together. Oh! Can you make your mouth into an O shape? Oh! Let's learn some fun O words. What do we have here? An orange. O is for orange. O is for orange. Round, bright, and full of tasty juice. Can you pretend to peel an orange and take a big yummy bite? Let's say it together. O. O is for orange. Oranges are sweet, healthy, and packed with energy, just like you. What do we have next? An ocean. O is for ocean. O is for ocean Gira. Big, blue, and full of amazing sea creatures. Can you pretend to swim like a fish or splash like a dolphin? Let's say it together. O. O is for ocean. The ocean is deep, mysterious, and full of adventure. This is the popping, peppy, and perfect letter P. Let's shout it out together. P. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out together. P. Can you pretend to pop popcorn? Pop. Can you puff your cheeks like a puffer fish? Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, what do you have here? There's a pencil. Let's shout it out together. E is for pencil. E is for pencil, the tool we use to draw and write amazing things. Can you pretend to hold a pencil and write your name in the air? Let's say it together. P. P is for pencil. Pencils help us learn, create, and bring ideas to life. The letter P is full of playful, fun tune. What do we have here next? Wow! This is a pizza! Sweat and yummy! P is for pizza. P is for pizza. Hot, cheesy, and delicious. Can you pretend to toss a pizza dough in the air? Let's say it together. P. P is for pizza. Pizza starts with P, just like pot, pig, and present. The letter P is perfectly playful and always packed with fun. Quiet, please. It's time for the queenly, quick, and quite unique letter Q. This is the quiet, quick, and quite cool letter Q. Let's shout it or whisper it together. Q. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out together. Q. Can you quack like a duck? Can you pretend to hold a magnifying glass and go on a quest? Let's learn some fun Q words. Q is for queen. Q is for queen, a royal leader who wears a crown and rules with kindness. Can you walk tall like a queen or wave with royal grace? Let's all say it together. Q. Q is for queen. Queens live in castles, wear sparkling crowns, and make big, decisions. What do we have now? Q is for quill, a fancy feather pen people used to write long ago. Can you pretend to dip your quill in ink and write your name? Let's say it together. Q. Q is for quill. Quills were used by queens, kings, and writers in the old days. How cool is that? Awesome job, friends! You've just explored the joyful journey from letter J all the way to the quirky and cool letter Q. From J is for jam to Q is for queen. We've had so much fun, learning, dancing, pretending, and saying our letters loud and proud. But guess what? The ABC adventure isn't over yet. Coming up next, the grand finale. Letters R to Z. You don't want to miss it. More fun, more games, and more exciting words to discover. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you get notified the moment part 3 drops. Like this video if you had fun learning today. Share it with your friends and family so they can join the ABC fun too. Thanks for watching. And remember, learning is always more fun when we do it together. See you soon for R to Z. Bye-bye for now.